How to redeem Roblox mobile promo code. First, if you want to find the latest promo codes, you just have to go to a search engine. And in the search bar, you have to look for a Roblox promo code. Then you'll find websites that will provide you with a list of Roblox promo code. You just have to go to one and then select a promo code that you would want to redeem. After you've done that, let's head to the Roblox app. Now from here, what you would want to do is go to the three-dot icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and then select the option of help. You will then be redirected to this page, and in the search bar, you have to look for redeem code. Now that is done, from the results, you have to click on how do I redeem a promo code. Then again scroll down and you have to click on go to code redemption page. Finally, what you have to do is type in the code that you noted earlier. Then go ahead and click on redeem. Now it's going to say code successfully redeemed. There you have it. That is how you find and redeem Roblox mobile promo code. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.